Ever wondered what it takes to inspire, educate, and transform lives? Imagine a world where your skills and passion translate into a rewarding career. However, the road to becoming an effective trainer is often riddled with hurdles. The lack of proper guidance, resources, and support can make this journey seem daunting. But what if all the tools you need to succeed were right at your fingertips? Enter our comprehensive training program, a one-stop solution designed specifically for aspiring trainers. This program equips you with the knowledge you need to excel, providing you with the latest methodologies, techniques, and insights into the dynamic world of training. That's not all. Upon completion, you'll receive a certification from a recognized institute, enhancing your credibility and paving the way to a myriad of opportunities. But the journey doesn't end there. We offer more than just certification. We provide you with ready-to-use trainer materials and assistance to build your video resume. We are committed to supporting you every step of the way, ensuring you're not just a certified trainer, but a successful one. So, are you ready to turn your passion into a profession? To inspire others while growing professionally and personally? The time to act is now. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Your future as a successful trainer starts here. Take the leap and embark on this exciting adventure, because when it comes to your career, the sky's the limit.